In this video, we're diving into the iKeyMonitor app, a tool designed for parents to monitor their children's phone activities. Whether you're worried about what your kids are doing online or just want to ensure their safety, this app provides an easy solution. It allows you to monitor text messages, calls, social media activity, GPS location, and much more. When you first open the iKeyMonitor app, you'll notice a clean and simple interface. The setup process is fairly straightforward. You start by installing the app on the target device, and then you can begin tracking everything from your own account. However, there's one important thing to keep in mind. This app works best when installed on a child's phone with their consent, and depending on the phone, it might require additional steps for setup. The dashboard is where all the tracking data is displayed. You'll see a summary of texts, calls, GPS location, app activity, and even browser history. One of the standout features of iKeyMonitor is its ability to monitor social media apps, which is something that many parents find crucial these days. You can view messages and posts from Facebook, WhatsApp, Instagram, and Snapchat, among others. However, there are a few downsides to mention. For one, while the app works well on Android devices, it's a bit more limited on iPhones due to Apple's restrictions. This means you might not have access to every feature on an iPhone that you would on an Android phone. The price point of iKeyMonitor is also on the higher end compared to some other family control apps, but if you're looking for a comprehensive solution, it might be worth the investment. Are you sure your phone is really yours? ClearGuard helps you uncover the truth, safeguard your data, and sleep easy. This and many other useful links you can find in the description. iKeyMonitor also offers an interesting feature for tracking keyboard activity. This can help you catch any inappropriate messages or unsafe browsing habits that might be developing. Overall, if you're looking for an app that covers everything from GPS tracking to social media monitoring, iKeyMonitor offers a solid option. While it may have a slightly higher price tag and limited features on iPhones, it's one of the most comprehensive parental control tools out there. It provides peace of mind knowing that you're always in the loop when it comes to your child's online safety. In my experience, it's reliable and has a good set of features that cater to parents who want to ensure their children's safety in the digital world. If you're considering using iKeyMonitor, it's important to weigh the pros and cons based on your specific needs. It may be perfect for some, while others might find cheaper alternatives that suit their needs just as well. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more reviews on family control apps and tech tools. Thanks for watching.